In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read candlestick charts using Coinbase Pro. Now, whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes in the world of cryptocurrency trading, understanding candlestick charts can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right in. To begin with, each candlestick on the chart represents price action for a given period. This could vary based on your settings, ranging from an hour to a full day. It's like a snapshot of the trading activity over the selected time frame. Now, why is this important? These candlesticks give you a clearer picture of how prices have moved, helping you make more informed trading decisions. Now onto the main parts of the candlestick. The central part, known as the body, reflects the opening and closing prices. You'll notice that the colors of these bodies are not arbitrary. A green or white candlestick indicates that the price has risen during the period, which means that the closing price was higher than the opening price, a positive sign for traders looking for bullish trends. Conversely, red or black candlesticks signal that prices have fallen. Here, the closing price is lower than the opening price, suggesting a bearish sentiment in the market during that time frame. This color coding makes it instantly recognizable whether a buying or selling pressure dominated the market. You'll also see lines extending above and below the body. These are called wicks or shadows, and they mark the highest and lowest prices traded during the time interval. Wicks give you a sense of price volatility, indicating the range within which prices fluctuated. When it comes to the strength of these movements, longer candlestick bodies generally signify stronger buying or selling pressure. A tall green candle could point to strong buying interest, whereas a long red candle might show strong selling pressure. Understanding patterns that appear on candlestick charts is another crucial aspect. Patterns like the doji or hammer can serve as indicators of potential trend reversals or continuations. For example, a doji, which has a very small body, might suggest indecision in the market, whereas a hammer could hint at a future upward trend after a decline. For a more robust analysis, it's beneficial to combine candlestick data with volume and other technical indicators. Volume can reveal the strength behind a price movement. Higher volumes typically reinforce the price action signaled by the candlesticks themselves. So there you have it, the essentials for reading candlestick charts on Coinbase Pro. By mastering these elements, you can enhance your trading strategy and react more effectively to market movements. Keep practicing and integrating more data points into your analysis for better accuracy. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.